Hey, you guys, do you want to make a lot of money affiliate marketing without showing your face? Let me go ahead and show you 3 amazing AI tools that will help you do exactly that. Let's go ahead and get started. The first tool I will be going over is Vidio AI, which is an awesome AI video generator. You literally just put in a script or an idea and it will create you an amazing video in just minutes. And they have a free plan as well as paid plans. Let me go ahead and show you how to use it. The most simple way to use Vidio AI is to simply put in a prompt here. For example, create a video about the 6 best travel destinations in 2024 and go ahead and click generate a video. However, I personally like to use ChatGPT to help me write an Invid prompt. So I say, create me an Invid prompt for a video about the 6 best travel destinations in 2024. And then I copy the Invid prompt from ChatGPT. And then I go ahead and click generate a video. Then I will wait a few moments for the video to be created. And once the video has been created, I can go ahead and watch it. And if I want to make changes, I can press edit. And I'm able to edit the media that's used. And I'm also able to edit the script as well as edit the music. You can also write commands here. It also gives you some example commands. For example, change current stock to a video drone shot of a forest. And we go ahead and click generate. Once we're satisfied with our video, we can go ahead and click download video and select the resolution and go ahead and click continue to export. And one other thing I wanted to show you is their advanced settings, which allow you to control the voiceover, and they have many different voices and accents to choose from, but you can also voice clone your own voice if you'd like to use your own voice instead. And once you've downloaded and exported your video, you can go ahead and start sharing it on social media everywhere alongside your affiliate link. The second tool I'll be going over is Vidio, which is perfect for people who want more control over their video and still want to do affiliate marketing and AI faceless content. And 76% of Fortune 500 companies are using Vidio. A lot of small YouTubers are using Vidio, and they have a free plan that is really easy to use. And let me go ahead and show you how it works. Once you've created your free account, you'll have 4 different options in the dashboard. The first one is create a project, and you can upload a file that you recorded here, and then you can add audio, subtitles, media, text, and much more. The second option is screen recording, and you can record just the screen or slides or audio, or you can do screen and camera, but you guys don't want to do that because you want to do faceless. And one of their amazing features for faceless content creators is their AI avatars, and you can create a custom AI avatar, or you can use one of their pre-made ones and it will look like they are talking even though it's you talking, and you don't have to show your face. And you can also clone your own voice into 25 different languages, or you can use their actors, which they have many different languages and many different accents to choose from. And the third tool we will be going over is Heen. They also have a free plan, and this is the perfect tool for people who want to create avatar type videos and they don't want to use their own face, and they want to use a custom avatar or a pre-made avatar, and they also want to use an AI voice to hide their voice. This is the tool for you, and it's super easy to use. And here's a quick demo video on how Heen works that's on their homepage. So you can go ahead and you can select your avatar, or you can create a custom avatar, and then you can go ahead and write your script. You can select the language you want the voiceover in, and you can go ahead and select the voice you want. You can also add images, assets, you can add text, you can change fonts, and you can do much more. It's super easy to use, and then you can go ahead and export your video. And then I also want to mention one more tool in this video because you may want to make some final edits to your video, and CapCut is perfect to do that. It's a free video editor and it's available on desktop, and they also have an amazing mobile app, and it's very easy to use, and I highly recommend it, and it's for free. They're also starting to release a lot of cool, awesome AI features that you can use and try out. I will leave all the links down below in the description, as well as the pinned comment on all the tools I went over today. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them down below, and make sure to check out affiliate.watch if you want to find the best affiliate programs to promote, and it's completely for free. And I highly recommend you guys also create an affiliate marketing profile on affiliate.watch so companies can reach out to you. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.